A serious health crisis is unfolding in New York City, where the number of Legionnaires' disease cases in central Harlem has surged to 90, including 3 fatalities. This alarming rise in cases has prompted city health officials to take action, proposing new regulations for the testing and maintenance of cooling towers. The proposed regulations, detailed in a recent document, /856cityrecord.nyc.gov/request-detail/20250800126, aim to enhance the safety measures for cooling towers, which are suspected to be the source of the outbreak. Cooling towers, commonly found on rooftops, work by releasing mist into the air to cool down large buildings. However, if the water inside these towers becomes too warm, stagnant, or improperly disinfected, it can become a breeding ground for Legionella bacteria. When people inhale the contaminated mist, they can contract Legionnaire's disease, a severe form of pneumonia. A spokesperson from the Department of Health explained to CNN that the proposed rules were already in the works long before the current cluster of cases emerged in central Harlem. According to the new regulations, building owners will be required to adhere to specific testing schedules and use state-certified laboratories for sample collection. Noncompliance will result in financial penalties, though the exact amounts have not been specified. Currently, building owners who fail to follow routine maintenance guidelines face fines ranging from $500 to $2,000. https:/m11safelinks.protection.outlook. URL equals https://f2f codelibrary.amlegal.com 2f New York City 2f latest 2f NYC rules 2f 00077837 data equals 05% 02% jamie.gumbrecht@cnn.com 7% 9E363DFD9314942 ed dub 8448 04 8172 72 768 747 PS 21418.207 7479 app EN 0810 3558 7080942 0809 0F4BF H70887 ILDUI JOIF Q %3D 0% 7 74877682 Bex XWXNB45. This concerning trend was first highlighted by Gothamist, https. binstamming // URL equals https% 2f Gothamist.com 2f Legionnaires inspections sank to near record low ahead of NYC outbreak. Data 0520220043 CNN.com 7 9E363 DFD91407 DDBF 8%. 70EB4825871459BC72DF1 F39707 ILDUI JOIFQ %3D %3 70777782510220043 14784-043. The current cluster of Legionnaire's cases was first reported on July 25. Health officials have since tested all Legionnaire's disease can cause symptoms similar to the flu, including coughing, fever, headaches, muscle aches, and shortness of breath. While the disease is treatable with antibiotics, it can be life-threatening if left untreated, leading to shock and multi-organ failure. According to the World Health Organization, approximately 10% of people who contract Legionnaire's disease die from complications, with older adults and individuals with weakened immune systems being at a higher risk. But here's where it gets controversial. Some critics argue that the city's reduced inspection efforts may have contributed to the current outbreak. What do you think? Should the city invest more resources in regular inspections, or are the proposed regulations enough to ensure public safety? Share your thoughts in the comments below.